Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. 2019 ended on a bloody note with murders being committed up to New Year's Eve. The number of homicides for the year had long surpassed the count for 2018, which has triggered new debates between the government and the opposition about the management of the crisis.
For security issues, statistics usually tell the story. However, with 2019 murder figures more than 3% higher than that of the previous year, the government and the opposition are again at odds about fixing the problem.
What the information has confirmed is that the government's crime fighting strategy has not succeeded. It has failed.
Opposition security spokesman Fitz Jackson reiterates that the opposition has always been against the use of states of emergency as a response for the crime problem.
What we have seen over the past 2 years, murders being committed in even SOE areas. In the case of Montego Bay, for example, in St. James, we had 2 nights ago, the daughter of a pastor was shot in her head. Luckily, she has survived and had a successful surgery yesterday.
Despite this stance, the opposition has voted for extensions of the measure on most occasions. The Prime Minister, in his New Year's Day message, gave his assessment of the uptick in killings for 2019.
Lack of support from the opposition resulted in a break in the SOEs for the first 4 months of 2019. And an unusual spike in homicides in November meant that we ended 2019 approximately 3.4% higher in homicides than 2018.
Effectively blame or sought to blame the opposition for its failure. What I'm seeing is a meltdown of this government. They have had states of emergency for over 2 years. The crime rate has not decreased, it has increased. Who else can they hold responsible but themselves?
Sadly, 2020 has started where 2019 left off. Police statistics show that for Wednesday, New Year's Day alone, 5 persons were murdered. But Prime Minister Holness says the SOEs have laid the foundation for changes this year.
This year, the JCF will receive the first set of purpose-built police cars fitted with tracking devices and onboard computers. The JCF's radio and communication system is being improved. Using the space created by the SOEs, the JCF and the MOCA continue the long, hard, and tedious work of intelligence gathering and investigations as they build cases and make arrests using regular police powers and conventional methods.
The House of Representatives will vote on another state of emergency extension later this month.